Today, we're exploring a sweet little fruit that packs a punch: dates. You've probably heard that just 3 dates a day can start irreversible processes in your body. But what does that really mean? Are dates truly a superfood, or is there a hidden side to them? Let's find out together. Dates are rich in essential nutrients. They contain high levels of potassium, magnesium, copper, and manganese, essential minerals that support overall health. But that's not all. Dates are also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Eating just 3 dates a day can significantly improve your digestive health. But what makes dates really stand out is their impact on your energy levels. Thanks to their natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, dates provide a quick energy boost. However, it's not all just sweet news. The high sugar content means that while dates are beneficial, they should be consumed in moderation, especially if you are monitoring your blood sugar levels. Nutritionist: indeed, dates are calorie-dense fruits. Each date contains about 66 calories, so it's important to integrate them into your diet carefully to avoid excessive calorie intake, which can lead to weight gain. But there's a positive side to this too. The natural sugars in dates are accompanied by fibers, which help regulate blood sugar spikes. This makes them a healthier choice compared to other sugary snacks. Now, let's not forget the antioxidants. Dates are a good source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from free radicals, reducing the risk of diseases. So, eating 3 dates a day can support your antioxidant defenses, promote digestive health, and boost your energy. The key is to maintain a balanced diet. There you have it. Dates are indeed a powerhouse of nutrition, but like any good thing, the secret lies in moderation. They can be a great addition to your diet if managed properly within your overall nutritional needs. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and food facts. Drop your questions or experiences with dates in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember to eat smart and live well.